SLR is that portion of NDTL which a bank has to keep with itself in liquid form. Most of you won't understand what I said. What is SLR? So SLR is that portion of NDTL. NDTL is total deposits with the bank. So whatever are the total deposits with the bank cannot lend all of them. The bank will have to keep some portion with itself. That this amount remains locked with the bank and the bank can lend the remaining amount. So suppose a bank has a total deposits of 100 rupees with it. Out of that 100 rupees, the bank cannot lend the complete 100. So if SLR quota is 18% as it is currently, the bank will have to keep 18 with itself. Alright, and this 18 remains locked with the bank. This 18 can be kept by the bank either in cash form or in gold form or in government securities form. That is what SLR is. And if a bank doesn't maintain SLR, then RBI will impose a penalty on the bank. What's the purpose of SLR? Purpose is if there's a bank run, then SLR will be helping the bank in returning the money to the depositors. What is bank run? When a large number of people, they run to the bank to withdraw their deposits, it's called bank run. For example, if you get to know that there's a crisis in the bank in which you have your deposits, then you will not be sitting idly, you will run to the banks to withdraw your deposits. That's called bank run. So if there's a bank run, the bank should have some deposits with it always so that it can return the money to the depositors. So SLR helps the bank during a period of bank run. Again, SLR is not to be maintained on a daily basis. SLR is to be maintained over a fortnight period. It means whatever is the average deposits of the bank in the 15-day period, the bank has to maintain 18% of it for that fortnight period. On a daily basis, the bank can just maintain 90% of the SLR quota and that's it. So, and at the same time, one more dimension over here. If inflation is to be countered, if inflation is to be reduced, then RBI needs to reduce liquidity in the economy. That time SLR will be increased. Hence, to reduce inflation, SLR is increased, and if we want economic growth, then SLR is reduced, because if SLR is reduced, it means the bank can lend more amount. Alright, so this is the complete concept of SLR. Thank you.